Before we get started, I would like to point out one thing and one thing only. Below the camera line, I can assure you, I'm wearing a top. Ain't no nudity here. Hey guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is going to be an interesting one. Basically, I bought the bloody Beauty Blender washing machine. In fact, I actually bought 3 of these, and this is the only one that showed up. Yeah, I placed an order the first time, like, literally it must have been like over a month ago, and turns out that was some sort of like scam website, so that's like a tenner I'm probably never going to be seeing again. The second one I bought, and it arrived like during my move, so I don't really know where that one is. It's like, it's not my old address, not my new address, I just don't know where it is. And then I ordered a third one, I thought third time lucky, and thankfully this guy showed up. And I'm saying thankfully, although I can't believe I spent my money on this. So this, if you haven't seen it circulating on the internet, is basically this little washing machine thing that's supposed to clean your beauty blenders. Now, you guys know me, I'm always well overdue a little brush wash, and I'm normally surrounded by like just hundreds of little like dirty beauty blenders. I've got one here, got one here. And so I thought if this works, then this could be very useful for me. So yeah, today I'm just gonna be trying it out on camera. I don't have high hopes. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really don't have high hopes. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna see what the deal is with this. See if it works, see if it does anything, or see if I just wasted my money. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. So, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Can't believe I'm doing a video about a beauty blender washing machine. Anyway, so I originally saw this, I think it was on the Makeup Social Facebook group. I've been a part of it for like years, and I saw this and I was like, what is that? Like, I'm all about the weird gadgets, like, first of all, because they look fun, and then second of all, I think maybe I can make a YouTube video out of that. So I saw this and I was like, okay, like, is this about to be the new thing? You know, there was a whole silicone sponge thing, and then there was also, I don't know, there's been loads of different things, but I thought maybe there's like a new thing. Maybe we're gonna make little teeny tiny appliances to like clean up beauty supplies. I don't know. But yeah, I saw this and thought I need to give it a go. And so here I am, sitting in front of a camera on a Friday night, talking about a plastic washing machine. But to be fair, it's pretty sick though, because it does have this little hose thing that like detaches. So like, that's pretty sick. It's a pretty cool feature if you ask me. So another fun thing about all of this, when it arrived, it literally just arrived in like a jiffy bag kind of situation, like wrapped up in a little bit of bubble wrap. No instructions, no nothing. So I'm just going to try and figure out how the hell to use this thing. So I'm guessing all you really do is you fill it up with water. Oh my God, do you add soap? I guess you must add soap. I've not thought this through. Yeah, so I guess you just fill up the little washing machine bit. It has this little spinny thing inside. And then I'm assuming you just press this button to like turn it on and off. You also obviously do have like batteries you have to put in at the bottom there. I don't know what this is for. Is this actually like, okay, this actually seems like it's connected to something. Will it just fly at the end? Surely if I fill this up with water, this will just come out. Seriously, what the hell have I bought? Yeah, I think the general idea is you just put water in there, put like some sort of like brush cleaner in there as well. What the hell is that on my thumb? And then press the button, I guess it kind of spins around and cleans your beauty blender, apparently. But I'm really concerned about this, to be honest. This little thing, I don't know what it is. In theory, it's got a little hole down there, so surely the water's just gonna come out there. But I don't want that, I want it to stay in there so I can wash the sponge. All right, anyway, so I've got a mug full of water with a coaster attached to the bottom. Mug full of water. I just went and grabbed some baby shampoo, because that's what I use to clean my brushes normally. And I also grabbed a screwdriver. So let's do this. Right, I'm gonna open up this guy. Oh, this is the wrong size screwdriver, but it's fine, we'll make it work. I really don't know how this is gonna work. Right, okay, this needs 2 batteries. That's fine, because I got 4. Okay, I'm gonna shove some batteries in. Can't believe I spent in total about 30 quid on this thing. Shove my batteries in. Okay, right, on. God, where's the bloody screw gone? Is this even like held in? Why? This thing isn't even going in. Ah, I had it on the wrong way. I'm actually really excited to use this. Is that sad? I'm not really excited. Right, does this turn on? Yeah, it does. All right, so yeah, this literally does just spin. Ready? Yep. But what does this do? What is this? I don't know what this is for. I don't understand. Okay, so I prepared myself for this video, you guys. I've got a dirty beauty blender and I've got a brand new one. Just so we can kind of see the difference, see if it like reverts back to how it originally looked. Right, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some water. This is probably gonna be very, very messy. I'm gonna have to just like slosh it in. Oh, that's it, get it all over my bloody trousers. Okay, so how is this? Right, okay, so if you keep this up, you see this? If you keep this up, actually, I kind of like that. I kind of like it. Right, keep it up. I'm about to spill this right on my crotch. Are you ready? Let's get a little slow-mo of this here. Yep, that was right on my crotch. Nice and cold. Okay, so as long as this like doesn't just come out, because I was worried this was going to fill up and just start like spouting out over the top. That's fine. I'm just going to have to commit to that, aren't I? I'm just going to have to look like I've pissed myself. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I don't know if there's like a max fill line here. Nope. So I'm just going to go ahead and just fill this sucker up and get more water on me. I really just shouldn't be allowed to just be left alone to do anything. All right, so I filled it up. You guys probably can't see that, but it's filled up to about here. You know what I'm actually do? I'm going to get my vlogging camera so I can do that little cutaway to show you guys. So I can do like top down. Yeah, be right back. Literally look at my crotch. Like that's probably the first time I've ever said that in a video. But look at that. Brilliant. All right. Got my camera, so I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of like a top down so you can see what's going on. So I filled it up with water. You press this. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this baby shampoo. Pop some of that in there. Don't really know how much to use, but that'll be fine. So that's all in there. Going to pop my little sponge in. This is very exciting. I'm actually way more excited about this than I thought I would be. Pop it in there. Oh, it's just, why is it just floating? Maybe I need to like let it like soak up some water. Do I need more water in there? It's just sticking at the top. Maybe like rotate. I don't know. I'm gonna add some more water because right now it's just like bobbling about. Yep, more water on my crotch. Okay, so this is how we're looking right now. He's all like filled up, bouncing around. Pepe's like, why the hell do you keep spilling water on the floor? So yeah, this is where we're at. I guess we just press go. I've been waiting a long time for this moment. Better not disappoint. Okay. I mean, it's a bit anticlimactic, really. I thought it was going to properly whiz around, but it's just chilling. I mean, I guess it's kind of working. Like, he's bobbling around. He's having a nice time. I don't know how to leave it on for. I don't know how long to leave the wash on for. I guess we'll just leave it there for a minute. Just chilling now, mate. I mean, it's still dirty. I can see dirt right there. But the water is a little bit more murky now, so I guess it's kind of working. Is this just my life now? Am I just going to have to sit here for however long until this thing is done? I don't know how long to leave it on for. You know, I could just put my beauty blender in the washing machine. That is a thing, I think. I could just put it in the washing machine. I could put loads of them in the washing machine. Oh my God, that'd be a really fun video. Just putting like hundreds of beauty blenders in a washing machine. Okay, it's been like a few minutes now, so I'm gonna turn it off. Let's see. Da, 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 da. It's still dirty. Woohoo. Maybe if I give it a little squish. I mean, it's cleaner, but it's not like properly clean. But it is getting rid of a lot of like dirty water. Like, to be fair, a lot of dirty water is coming out of this. Like, look. Ooh. I want to try it again. I'm going to put it back in there now that I've like squeezed it out and stuff. So I'm going to pop it back in there. See you later, friend. And I guess we're just going to do this all over again. Yep. So how is everyone? What's new? Done anything exciting recently? How's the family? How are your pets? Okay, I think that's enough now. All right, I'm going to get a little bit of vlog footage of this so you guys can see like the water and stuff. Okay, so take that out. It is still a bit dirty, but it does look a lot cleaner, to be fair. Just wringing them out. There's a lot of dirty water coming out of there. It's just like this bit. It's kind of like, it's done like a light clean of it, but yeah, I mean, you can still see the dirt and stuff. It is definitely cleaner though. Like, it is definitely a lot cleaner. Like, obviously you can see like the shit that's come out of it in the little washing machine. I mean, for me, this is kind of like, this is clean enough to use on my own face. Like, I mean, I probably wouldn't feel comfortable having someone use this on my face if they were like a makeup artist doing my makeup. I'd also be a little bit weirded out if a makeup artist showed up and was like, just gonna clean my sponge, is that all right? Yeah, no worries. Okay, yeah, cool. Put it in your washing machine, turn it on. I'd be a bit like, is this person a psychopath? But for me, for my personal use, this is okay. I could kind of like put this in there, go and make a cup of tea, and then by the time I've come back, it'll be cleaner than what it was. But I will still want to do like my proper like deep cleanse, but kind of like in between does give it a little bit of a spruce. So this is obviously the original beauty blender. I did just dip it in water, and this is my little dirty friend. It is better, but it's not looking brand new, is it? It's not looking like properly clean. I mean, it is cleaner. I feel like I'm just trying to justify this thing because I've bought three. It's cleaner. Like, it definitely is cleaner. You can see like the dirty water in the little washing machine thing. So like some dirt has come out. Is it like brand spanking new again? No. It is cleaner though. So it kind of did the job, but I kind of wanted it to come out like fully clean, and realistically it would have taken me less time to actually clean it by hand than to put it in that thing. So yeah, the Beauty Blender plastic washing machine thing, I wouldn't rush out to buy it anytime soon. I definitely wouldn't buy 3. What am I supposed to do with it now? I've just got this pink plastic washing machine. You know what I can do? Oh my God, yes. Right, I don't know how I'm gonna do this with like one-handed. I'm gonna get, oh my God, no, I know what I'm gonna do. Oh my God, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe it can like redeem itself. What's wrong? Why do I do these things to myself?
Anyone for a cup of tea, dear?
Is this actually what my life has come to? It's leaking as well. It's leaking. It's dripping all over my nice new carpet. Dripping all over my freshly washed trousers. It's still going. Jesus Christ, how much water did I put in here? Are you done? Okay, brilliant. Don't forget to clean up after yourself. Cheers. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? It was loads of fun. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you all learned a lot. I hope you all learned not to buy things from scammer websites, and also not to buy a plastic washing machine that claims to clean your beauty blenders. Yeah, not gonna lie, I actually probably will use that again. Probably will. If you guys enjoyed this video, hopefully some of you did out there, then as always, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me and my little pink plastic friend here. I love you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.